And I am Durga and these are my team members. We are working on the problem statement called phishing detection solution, and based on that we have named our team members as phishing fighters. Phishing basically is a form of fraud in which an attacker pretends to be a repeated entity or person in email or other forms of communication to trick the users. Basically, these attackers uses the email to distribute the malicious links or attachments, and these attachments or malicious links performs various activities such as extracting the sensitive and confidential informations, and these informations can be the login credentials, bank account details, user ID, password, etc. And for the further idea and approach, I would like to hand it over to Sakshi Maran.
Idea is we are creating a URL detection web browser plugin to analyze the URL in real time. Our approach follows the following step. First is list based. Our plugin maintains the blacklist for the phishing URL and whitelist for the trusted URL. Next we have APIs. The browser plugin uses combination of different APIs to detect and prevent phishing. We will create APIs for URL analysis, blacklist of phishing URL, and browser analysis API. Next, we are using machine learning algorithm to identify the URL that are not present in our database. Machine learning algorithms such as random forest, it will create number of decision tree which give high accuracy detection. Next, we are using SVM, support vector machine, and next we are using Navewise. SVM and Navewise, these are the supervised machine learning algorithm. Then real-time analysis. The extension is scan the URL as the user visit the web pages, and it detect in the real time. Next, bug the phishing URL. When the extension detect a phishing website, it notifies the user through warning message or blocking access the website. The user can decide either proceed to the website or return back to the previous page. Next, user interface. The plugin have user-friendly interface that clearly alert the user when a URL suspected to be a phishing website. As you can see in our flow diagram, our plugin take URL from the browser and match in our database, PhishTank and Yahoo directory. Then it check in if it is present. अगर वो वहाँ से predict कर रहा है तो बता देगा user को कि URL phishing है. अगर नहीं मैच हो रहा है तो उसके फीचर्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम, रैंडम फॉरेस्ट, SVM, नेमवाइज. उसके फीचर्स को कैसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा, उसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगा उसके सब डोमेन्स में, एंड देन वहाँ से क्लासीफाइड करके देगा URL फिशिंग है नहीं है. फॉर टेक्नोलॉजिकल स्टैक आई हैंड ओवर टू लखन.
You can see in the diagram, this is firstly user open the browser and after that browse the URL. After that the system work, the start system scan the URL feature, extract the features of URL and testing using machine algorithms, Navewise, random forest and SVM, and after that classify the URL and predict if it is legitimate, then user safely access the URL, and if it is phishing URL then server system block the URL and add it to database. Now for dependencies, I would like to call my friend Shakib.
Thank you, Lakan. Now I am talking about dependency of our project, and we are using different types of dependency like as a API and machine learning algorithm, backend service, and development tools. Now I would like to call Himanshi.
Now I am going to explain in Showstopper. First point, our plugin scan the URL automatically and predict it is phishing URL or not. Second our motive is to provide the result to the user as fast as possible. Third, for the details of team members, I would like to call Rahul.
Thank you, Manshi. Now I am introduce our team mentors. First is Aishwarya ma'am, and second is Nikita ma'am, and these are my team members.
I am Himanshi Thakre. I am working on front end.
My name is Sakshi Maran. I am the team leader.
I am Rahul. I am working on database.
My name is Lakan Padidar. I am working on backend.
I am Durga and I am working on the front end.
My name is Sakir Hasan and I am working on backend.
Thank you.
Thank you.